Find the radius of the circle if the two chords of length 16 units and 12 units are separated by 14 units on either side of the center. So let's say this is the center O, and this is the chord AB, which is the longer chord. So if you drop a perpendicular on the chord, it always bisects, right? So if AB is of length 16 unit, we can say each one is 8. Similarly, if CD is the another chord of length 12 units, and if I drop a perpendicular, this is going to get bisected where each is going to be 6. And the distance between the two chords is given as 14. So let's assume this part is X and this part is 14 minus X. OB and OD, they are going to be the same thing because they both are radii, right? From the center onto the circumference. So in this right angle triangle, we can say that 14 minus X whole square plus 8 square is going to give us R square. And from the bottom right angle triangle, we can say that X square plus 6 square is also going to give us R square. Two variables, two equations, we need to figure out the value of R. So we are going to equate because the LHS, they are same as the RHS. So we will have 14 minus X whole square plus 8 square is equal to X square plus 6 square, bringing 8 square and 6 square on the same side, and taking the X swallow terms on the other side. This is what we'll have. This is of the form A square minus B square, that can be written as A minus B, 8 minus 6, which is 2, into 8 plus 6, which is 14. And similarly, the RHS is also of the form A square minus B square, which can be written as A plus B, which will result in a 14, and A minus B, which will result in 2X minus 14. So 14 gets cancelled out. We will have 2X is equal to 16, or we will get X is equal to 8. So we have X as 8. So this turns out to be 6. So it looks like both are right angle triangles with 6 and 8 as the base and height. So the triplet that we have is 3, 4, 5. So you can also say that it's 6, 8, 10, where 10 is the hypotenuse. So R will turn out to be 10. We don't have to put the value of X is equal to 8 back in the equation because it will be little calculative. So using the triplet, we can figure out the length of the radius relatively faster. So 10 units is the answer.